Podia Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this review of Podia. For more details and to explore the platform, check the links in the description below. Podia is an all-in-one platform designed for creators, educators, and entrepreneurs who want to sell digital products such as online courses, memberships, and digital downloads. It's a powerful yet user-friendly tool for those who want to create and sell without relying on multiple third-party applications. Podia makes it easy to build your online business from start to finish, offering everything you need to create, market, and manage your digital products. One of the key features of Podia is its simplicity. Whether you're an experienced creator or just starting, Podia offers an intuitive drag-and-drop builder that makes creating your content and courses straightforward. You can upload videos, quizzes, and assignments, or create content like ebooks, webinars, and podcasts. The platform also includes built-in email marketing tools, allowing you to communicate with your customers and prospects directly from the platform without needing separate email marketing services. Podia also shines in its flexibility. Unlike many competitors, Podia offers unlimited courses and products, even on its lower-tier plans, meaning you're not restricted in how much content you can create or sell. Plus, it allows you to customize your sales pages, making it easy to create a branded experience for your audience. Podia's membership features are great for anyone looking to build a community, offering subscription models that let you provide exclusive content for your members. Additionally, Podia provides comprehensive customer support, including live chat and email support, making it easy to get help when you need it. The platform is perfect for course creators, coaches, and anyone looking to sell digital products or services while managing everything under one roof. In conclusion, Podia is a robust, user-friendly platform that allows creators to sell digital products, online courses, and memberships easily. With its all-in-one features, no transaction fees, and customization options, Podia is a great choice for anyone looking to grow their online business. Be sure to check the links in the description below to start your Podia journey today.